face this valley. I don't wanna walk alone. You say that you leave to find me, well, I'm begging you now to come. Don't think I can face the morning. My heaviness is on my chest. You say that you lift this burden, well, I'm begging you to bring me rest. So come and find me in the darkest night of my soul, in the shadow of the valley. I am dying for you to make me whole, for you to make me whole. I can't keep myself from sinking, from drowning down in all this shame. My throat is worn out from calling for help, and I'm praying you'll remember my name. I know I can't fight this battle, been surrounded on every side. You say that you will deliver me, well, I'm praying you'll restore my life. So come and find me in the darkest night of my soul, in the shadow of the valley. I am dying for you to make me whole, for you to make me whole. Answer me out of the goodness of your love, in your mercy turn to me. I know it's you that I've been running from, but I'm seeing it's you I need. You're all I need. So come and find me in the darkest night of my soul, in the shadow of the valley. I am dying